Hi everyone, how are you? Fine, right? I'm fine too. So today in this session I will discuss about the materialized view. That is very important and advanced topics of Oracle technologies, and this is materialized view is used for many purposes, especially for performance improvement, and this is very important. So I will discuss about the materialized view, how it can be created, and what is the purpose of creating a materialized view, and how it can improve the performance. Okay. So now I am discussing what is materialized view. So materialized view is materialized view is a database object which actually stores the information or result set of a select statement and in our local database. Okay. So in data warehouse it is very much important to create materialized view, because frequently we have to access data from the other database, and we have to write a SQL statement joining multiple tables and with many of conditions over there. So each time if a query is fired, so it will take long time to execute and get the result set. So to minimize this time to and get the result very fast, we will create the materialized view in our local database, which is basically the based on the same tables located in the remote database. Okay. So materialized view is a local copy of remote data which are stored as a database object, and we can retrieve data from our local database from materialized view. So basically in data warehouse there are many tables, and each table have huge number of data. So if we fire the same query multiple times, it will fetch millions of, it will search for millions of records over there, and it will take so much of time to extract data and to show the result set in our local system. So that's why the materialized view is to be created in our local system, so that we have not to go frequently to the remote database and fetch the same query again and again, and this improves our query performance, right? So we'll get our result set in our local database. We just select that our materialized view, and we can get the data as in the remote database. But there is a difference between the materialized view and the whatever the base tables that are remote database upon which the materialized view is created, right? Like in the remote database, every tables are getting updated, some records are getting inserted, some records are getting deleted, or some records are getting updated, right? So whenever we are creating a materialized view, it is getting the data as the data exists in that time. Okay. So whatever data exists in that time on the remote database tables, on that basis our materialized view is created, and it is saved in our local database object in a materialized view. Okay. So if any necessary changes happens in the remote database, it will not getting reflect in our materialized view